Outliers are data points significantly deviating from the rest of your dataset. They can severely skew statistics and distort model training, leading to misleading insights. Spot them using visualizations like box plots and scatter plots, or statistical methods such as the interquartile range, IQR, rule or Z-scores. Handling involves careful consideration. Remove if errors. Transform data, or use robust models. Python, with libraries like Pandas, Seaborn, and scikit-learn, provides powerful tools for identifying and managing outliers effectively. The example begins by generating a synthetic dataset representing daily website visitors, deliberately injecting a few extreme values: 50, 150, 2,500, 3,000, that serve as outliers. This initial setup helps to understand what outliers are. Data points significantly different from the majority of the data. We then calculate and print basic statistics: mean, median, standard deviation, for this original data, showing how these metrics are influenced by the presence of outliers. Next, the code illustrates how to spot outliers, both visually and programmatically. A box plot is generated for the original data, which graphically displays the spread and skewness, with individual points beyond the whiskers clearly indicating outliers. Programmatically, the interquartile range, IQR, method is used. Q1, 25th percentile, and Q3, 75th percentile, are calculated, and data points falling outside the range, Q1 to 1.5 IQR, Q3 plus 1.5 IQR, or identified as outliers.
Finally, the example demonstrates a common method for handling outliers. Removal. The identified outliers are filtered out, creating a cleaned dataset. The basic statistics, mean, median, standard deviation, are recalculated for this cleaned data, showcasing the substantial change and often more accurate representation of the underlying data. Distribution after outlier removal. A second box plot of the cleaned data is displayed, visually confirming the absence of the previously identified outliers and demonstrating the impact of the handling process.